Good morning guys, and welcome to another video here from Thailand. I'm in the city of Lampang at the moment. If you have seen my previous video, I went to those floating pagodas high in the mountains, which was really cool. I think one of the best places I visited here in Thailand so far. And sorry gap. And today I'm in the city of Lampang. I'm already here for like a couple days. My plan was to go here for 2 days, something like that. But yeah, it's really cool here. It's a really nice place, really laid back. Almost no tourists. I'm the only one who's staying in the hostel, so that's pretty chill. That's the hostel over there, Mehmet Hostel. Really cool place. Really cool. Yeah, I'm the only one who's staying there, so it's pretty chilled out. I have the place for myself. Highly recommended if you come to Lampang, stay here. They have dorm rooms, but they also have private rooms. They have a nice coffee shop downstairs. Really cool. Okay, so for today, you see already the motorbike is standing there. It's really warm already. I just found out like the Lampang is the hottest province in all of Thailand. So it's now like 9 AM. It's already 33 degrees. So we're gonna go, for today we're gonna go bring my laundry to the lady down the street, and we're gonna have a breakfast. I think I have good news, because I think I found a Khao Soi place. And we're gonna check that out, and if it's open we're gonna eat the Khao Soi. So let's go. So this is what I believe is like the central point, center of Lampang, with the clock tower over there. A big roundabout. Gonna continue to the laundry. Okay guys, we're almost there. As you can see here, this street is the walking street of Lampang. There's many shops, mostly open during the evening, and on every Sunday there is a night market, kind of similar as in Chiang Mai. Hello! It's the laundry. 1.2. No?
1 kilo.
1 kilo 50 baht. Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in the morning.
Morning.
Okay. Yeah? Okay. I'll be here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Or maybe a little bit later.
See you. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Oh. Yes. Okay, kapung kap.
Okay.
Bye bye, kapung krap.
7 baht.
Oh, 70 baht. Yes.
70 baht, yeah.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Okay, that was the laundry. Now let's check out this Khao Soi place, which is on the other side of the river. Saudi Kap. Everywhere where I go, people are staring at me like, hey, what is this foreigner doing here? We are not a town for tourists, but still, here I am. Okay, so this is a pretty cool bridge, as you can see. Really cool. And we're gonna cross it now. Hello! Most people say hello, smiling. Okay, there we go. Super cool bridge. First I thought it was only for motorcycles, but it's only also for cars. You can see the river here. There's many bridges around here, but this is the coolest one, so that's why I'm taking this one. Yeah. Hello. Lots of markets. Also, where Lampang is known for is their original, like, Thai style houses, the Lana style. You see them everywhere here, especially here in the old town. Incredibly nice, the wooden houses. Maybe we will see also like private homes. The private homes, you have them also a lot here, in Lana style, and they're really beautiful. Most of them, they are on poles. But anyways, let's go to Khao Soi. I think it's here. Aha. Sawadee Kap. Hello. Khao Soi? Yeah? Okay, market. Parking, yeah. Parking. Yeah, so basically they have the Khao Soi with beef, or they have the Khao Soi with chicken. Nothing else. So no Khao Soi for me again. So yeah, I've basically noticed that if you go outside the big cities of wait, I think there's something on the lens. If you go outside of the big cities here in Thailand, they basically have no like vegetarian option most of the time. They eat everything with the meat. So yeah, we just have to find something else. So let's go. We go back into the old town, see if we can find a breakfast over there. So on my way back to the hostel, I saw this nice little coffee place here, Lampang Cafe. And let's try a cappuccino here before we head out. We have the cappuccino, and while I was waiting to get the cappuccino, I saw this place, and I already saw that Lampang is really famous or known for their ceramics, and this is like a little ceramic market. Hello, you want to be the video? Yeah. What's your name?
Oh, it's Pom. Santi.
Pom. See you later, my friend. Bye bye. Good luck. I think many people will buy ice cream today because it's so warm.
Okay.
Because it's hot, many people will buy.
Okay. Thank you.
See you later. Bye bye. Lovely fella. But check out this. All ceramics, and this is something you see everywhere here in Lampang. This is like the trademark. Oh, let's put down the thing. These bowls with the chicken, and I also have here. Hello, Sawadee Kap. Hello, how are you? Beautiful what you're selling. It's beautiful. Nobody speaks English. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Not beautiful, it's okay. Huh? Sorry?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm
Yeah?
fine. Thanks.
Oh, you have many. All made in Lampang.
Yes.
Ah, so many, huh?
Especially
Beautiful.
Lampang.
Oh, here the goldfish.
Yes.
Really nice.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah. And you from Lampang?
Yes.
Nice. I like it. It's good city.
Ah.
Very good. No tourists.
Ah.
There? Oh, the tourists are there. Okay. I'm gonna have a look, yeah? Thank you. Couple tap. So you see here the bowls, they're really nice. Actually, pretty cool. You see them mostly in the restaurants where you're going to eat. You get the soup in this bowl. Oh, they have some of the animals here. It's pretty dark here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh wow, they have the koi fish. They're pretty cool. There's all these things I cannot take because it's too heavy for me. A lion or a tiger, also cool. I think you can put these like as decoration with the temple. These things. See all kinds of animals here as well. Crocodile, turtle. These are all for the temple. Sorry, Cap. Oh, this one is beautiful, huh? Ah, you have the goldfish here. Yeah, this one is nice. Really cool. Really cool. But I cannot take it. I cannot take it with me. I only have a 40-liter backpack with me. Really small. Only my clothes are fitting in there. And some small souvenirs. So yeah. But as you can see, you can buy anything here. Fountain, plates, the animals, pots for your plants, all kinds of things, teacups. Let's go inside here. Oh, they have some really small ones. Maybe I can check for a really small one. That would be okay. Let's see what they have. Oh, check this. This snake. Pretty cool. The zebra. There's the tiger. There's the water buffalo. This one is pretty cute. Little piglet. Yeah. Cool. Oh, they even sell them like in bags. Like this many. I've seen them. They place this with the small temples they have at their homes. So I think they buy a lot and then place them. They have different meanings to the Buddha. But yeah, so if you're in Lampang and you want to buy some ceramics, come here. I will try to put the Google Maps in the description, and you can buy your pots. No, not pots. Plates, all the ceramics here. Saudi Cap, hello. Hello. Okay, guys. Hello. How are you? Good? Oh wow. Many. What does the chicken mean? It's like typical Lampang. Oh. 20 baht. Okay. So a cup is 20 baht. 10 baht. That's 10 baht. Okay. 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 That one is 35. Oh, so much. So much. No. Yeah, that is really cool. This is for the tea. For tea. Yeah, 35 baht. Okay. That one is 50 baht. Wow. So expensive. Farangprijs. No? Oh, for the coffee. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. So cool. Yeah. But this is not. Is that for coffee? Yeah. Or for tea? 50 baht. Okay. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, there's a small language barrier here as well on the market. But that's okay because, you know, I'm a tourist in undiscovered Thailand. And I have to deal with it. But check this market, beautiful, so lovely. Okay, this was it for today. This was my morning in Lampang. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.